Hello everyone and heartily welcome back to the Math Simplified by HM channel. Right now we are thoroughly investigating the rich world of triangles. Before we begin today's session, please subscribe to Math Simplified by HM and turn on notifications by clicking bell icon. Today's session covers a brilliant property involving three parallel lines and their transversals. Please have a notebook and pause as needed to make your own notes. Let us read the theorem statement. The ratio of the intercepts made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. We have read theorem statement. According to theorem statement, we construct the diagram. Line L parallel to line M parallel to line N and transversal T1, T2 intercepting these lines. Now we have to prove, according to theorem statement, AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. This is written in box clearly. AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. We have drawn the diagram and we have to prove AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. For this, we need construction. For that, draw segment PC and let it intersect line M at point D. Now, before starting the proof, let us recall basic proportionality theorem, which is called as BPT. In a triangle, if a line parallel to one side intersects the other sides, it divides them in the same ratio. Now consider in triangle ACP, BD is parallel to AP. So by this proportionality theorem, we get AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC. Name this equation as 1. Consider triangle CPR in which DQ is parallel to CR. Therefore, again by basic proportionality theorem, we get PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. Now we have two equations. From one, AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC. And from 2, we have PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. And the common link is PD upon DC. Therefore, AB upon BC is equal to PD upon DC is equal to PQ upon QR. Therefore, we get AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. Thus, we have proved the property of three parallel lines and their transversals. So now summary. Three parallel lines intercepts on transversals. Here line L is parallel to line M is parallel to line M and T1 and T2 are the transversals. These intercepts are always proportional. We have shown that AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR and this property holds true for any transversal. Thank you for watching. Please continue to practice your geometry. Kindly share this video with your colleagues, like it and subscribe to the channel for updates on future content. Have a wonderful day.